I wanted to show what we did before we went shopping. Here we are at our ophthalmologist appointment. Once we are out getting all of these important things done, I try to fit in as much as possible. So we went out on 2 different days, one to get our eyes checked and the other to pick up the glasses. And here is Bella with her new glasses. I am trying contacts for the first time. Now off to shopping we go. We're about to go to Target. Hi, Bella. And then Burlington. Hi, Belly. Hi, little pigeons. Bella said to say hi. I'm saying hi. There she is dancing away. Bella is a really great dancer, and I'm not just saying that because she's my daughter. And I can't wait for her to show me the moves so we can practice to start doing some dance moves on TikTok. I know you guys having a good laugh at me and saying that I can't dance, but your girl could dance. I just didn't want to break out all of my dance moves at Target, okay? This area here, I love, 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 love. Every time I go to any Target, I try my very best to go in the front area where they sell products from $1 to $5. I live in New York City, so this is how all of the Targets that I go to, this is how they set up. In the front area when you enter, they have that cute little area where you can go and get all of the seasonal stuff as you're seeing here, St. Patty's and Easter. And on any other day, they have wonderful products as well. And I choose to show this area because that's the area that I love the most when I visit Target. Like Oprah said. And I'm sure any other the home area upstairs in Target, or this one has an upstairs, that's where I go to get like the homey stuff. I'm sure that they have Easter and St. Patty's products as well. But you definitely want to check out that front area when you go to Target. They have fantastic, great stuff. I got so many wonderful products there for Bella when she was younger. A lot of educational products, a lot of little products to keep them occupied, like those little Lego pieces. I remembered so many people used to be asking me, where do you get these? And I put in a little Ziploc bag and take it with me in my carry-on bag with her when I'm taking her out to keep her occupied. And moms would ask me, where did I get it from? And I would tell them. So that's like one of my go-to places when I go to Target. So I just felt that I have to show you guys the place that I love the most when I go to Target. And I hope you guys enjoy it and visit it so you can get all of your beautiful pieces throughout the years and visit the entire store. I love the interior decoration area, and you would see that later on in the video, my next happy place, decorative place when I go to Target. Later on in this video, you're gonna see little Bella when she was much younger enjoying her little Easter celebration at home, and I wanted to show those videos so you can see that we invested a lot in buying the products in this area, and because of that investment, she did so well in school and in her growth throughout the years. In my home, in the beginning stage when she was much younger, even now, her room used to be like a mini daycare. So in my living room area, I had a setup for her. Also in the room, pretty much my apartment was like a daycare. But I couldn't care less. I just wanted an environment for her to learn as she was growing, and that's what I did. And most of the products that you would see in the back, we got it from here, like the bunny ears, the little bunny that you would see that she painted, a lot of the pails and basket, even the baskets, and even the chalk, and that's all I could remember. But when you look at the video, you're gonna see in the back we have a lot of things, and we got it right in this area here at Target, so it was a great investment. Hey, Belly. Hi, Bella. This is one of our other favorite spots in Target. This is the Heart and Hand with Magnolia, owned by Chip and Joe. They used to have a HGTV show called Fixer Upper. They're no longer on HGTV, but I know that they are now Discovery Plus, and I can't wait to start streaming. I love how chic their products are, and they have that pop of greenery. It is so beautiful, don't you think? So I get a lot of my inspiration from there. Bella, where are you? Bella, you see she go lay down and be comfortable, you know. Look at her. Where are you? Look at Bella. Hi, Bella. Check out, self-check out. We only purchased 2 items, and that's all that we needed, the chocolate coins and the mini eggs. We already ate the entire bag of mini eggs after a few days. They're so delicious. Target also have the smaller bags of mini eggs, but we purchased the smaller bags at another place, which I'll be doing an upload video on that, so stay tuned. I also wanted to show little Bella enjoying Easter when she was younger. Say Happy Easter. Easter. Look at the camera and say it. Say Happy Easter. Purple. That's right. Blue, pink, and purple. That's right. You know your colors. That's very good. Good girl. Good job, Bella. You did good. Okay, high five. Oh, almost fall. Okay, high five. There you go. Zero bump. Okay. Good job, Bella. Love you, Bella.
Love you, Bella. Bye-bye. Love you, Mommy. Bye-bye.
Well, okay, you don't want to stay anymore. All right, bye-bye. Love you, Bella. Happy Easter. Blow kiss.
Bye. Bye, my Keisha. Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you too. Say happy Easter, Lalas.
Easter, Lilas.
Bye.
Bye.
We are now at Burlington, so enjoy the view. There wasn't a lot of Easter products at Burlington, but I have a come shop with me and a haul video in the process. So stay tuned for those two uploads. I wanted to show Bella again when she was much younger. It's making my heart so happy. Easter celebration at home. So cute. Oh, you're mixing the color?
I'm mixing the color.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Mommy, I'm finished.
You finished? Okay, so what did you paint? Can you explain it to me?
A beautiful crowd. Mommy, me, and Sky.
Your best friend Sky, Mommy, and you? Oh, that's so nice, Bella.
And that's rain.
What's rain?
Rain means that it's rain. Now it's time to make the puddle now.
The puddle? The rain makes the puddle? So where is the puddle? You didn't make the puddle. Now you're going to make the puddle? Oh, wow. You're smart. A little smart one. How do you know that the puddle goes down there?
Ah, the rain gonna make puddles. And now it's time to make the sun.
The sun?
The sun.
Oh, how do you know the sun goes there?
Just like the teachers made that.
I see.
Miss America sing a song for us.
She'll sing a song for you guys? Oh, that's a beautiful sun.
That's gonna dry the puddle, Mommy.
Oh, the sun is going to dry the puddle? Oh, wow.
Mommy, I finished with all my painting lessons.
All your painting lesson? Oh, good job, Bella.
Mommy,
Mhm.
Mommy, please put it on the door, Mommy, please.
So I have to take after it's dry, I'm going to put it on the door, okay? So we're going to move on now. You have to paint now you have to paint the bunny rabbit on the eggs.
Okay.
Okay, so you got to sit there, get the paint. Let me see what you're going to do with that.
I'm gonna make it beautiful.
Oh, nice. And then we can bring it in the living room and put it on the coffee table.
The coffee table.
Yes. I'm gonna go to the living room and video the coffee table as well, so you can be part of the video, okay? This is pretty. Bella has her eggs. Really nice with the bugs and decoration. Easter festivities in our home with Bella. Trying to make it fun for her. And this is Bella's little baskets that she got from school that they created. Thought it was so cute. It's so cute. And Bella even have a basket to catch her bugs. As soon as outside get a little bit warmer, we can go out in the park. Yeah. Oh, thank you for correcting me. You're right. It's a net. It's not a basket. I'm sorry. Always correcting me, Miss Bella. Always. Okay. Let's see you finish up. And don't forget you have to paint your eggs.
See, that's the bunny ears.
Mm-hmm.
Mommy, will I go to school and share it with my friends?
You want to share it with your friends?
No, show it with
Oh,
my friends.
okay. Show it to your friends. Okay.
And my teachers too, and they're going to be so proud of me.
Mm-hmm. I'm sure they would.
You made it, Mommy.
At a school parade, so Mommy made you the hat so you guys could parade in the neighborhood. Right?
Neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
And the parents are came here for the kids too.
Mm-hmm.
You're not telling me that let's go, but you're not listening.
Yeah, she's not listening to the parade, right? All right, you and Mommy gonna finish up. Blow kisses. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
It's Jesus Day.
Jesus Day.
It's time to go home now after shopping. May God continue to guide and bless you and your family. Keep safe and be well. There are lots of fun and informative videos here on our channel. Feel free to take a look. See you guys in our next upload. My girl. So cute. Look at how glowy my face is. It gets so glowy. Oh my goodness. I need the block. Shiny, glowy. Wow, my Savannah. Bella, do a TikTok dance. TikTok, TikTok, TikTok. And I love that clock in the back. That clock. I love the clock.